Hello Scorpions, welcome back to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with your reading. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Essentials Running. Skipping the beat, something that you are skipping. Sometimes it happens that I do and it goes like that. Maybe that is the calling to tell you that you are skipping something and you need to do it. Alright, so let's begin. This is going to be right from 30th of August 2021 and beyond, okay, so on. So there is something that you are skipping, which is connected with Five of Wands energy. So possibility is all about that there is certain kind of discomfort around you, something that you need to say to someone, and someone's guards are up here. If this is you, then you probably need to guard it down, so to convey what you really need to convey to the person. This is all about talk that you need to have with the person. Okay, so the message that is coming for you is that, Scorpions, I am seeing here tongue, Tongue, and which to me is saying someone is speaking too much. And it is also coming as like a bang on the table. Okay, it was like this, someone who is speaking so much, and it was like they want you to stop, they want you to hear, or maybe this is all about you and you need to speak. That's what I said. Okay, so let's see what is the overall energy here. There is someone who is too much in the head, someone who is figuring out what need to be done in this time frame. Okay, please give us the flip. So we are going to focus on that, obviously. I am hearing the word charging. For what purpose, I don't know yet. Charging is coming like someone is saying something, denying something. Okay, let's see, what is the flip? Please give us the flip for Scorpions. Someone is speaking too much here. Maybe the thing is that they shouldn't speak, or maybe they are speaking too much and creating that fuss or creating that chaos within connection, relationship, or certain idea or some stuff that you are dealing right now. With Three of Swords energy, this may be someone who is trying to cover up possible, and they're dealing with certain someone in particular. If this is not you, if this is someone you are dealing, they are dealing with someone, which causes the triangle situation. So possibility is someone who is giving you that zone of betrayal, and you figured that out. Actually, you figured that out in this time frame. You're going to figure it out more, and this Three of Swords is creating that aura of I know the truth, speak up. Okay, so someone is going to be like, or maybe you are going to be, I know, tell me. It was like, I know. Okay, so Three of Swords might be the energy around, but I still need that figure out. I need to figure out that they should give us the flip here. So there is someone, possible intruder, influencing something, or someone in particular. Look, okay. I heard the words, high, H-I-G-H, demand, D-E-M-A-N-D. Like someone's presence is in demand somewhere, and this is also someone who is trying to have that push and pull. So maybe with the person it is happening. There may be some of you might have this long distance relationship here. There is this number three, which kind of give me the energy to you, one away. Like someone is involved here in the picture. Okay, now this is not always necessary that the person is there, but most probably, this may be because of the Three of Swords, but this is also someone who's creating problems for you guys. Okay, kind of energy, having fun in that situation. This is someone who is away or emotionally distant, or push and pull, defenses up kind of energy. And I see like someone is speaking too much, which is not even required. So possible they are giving you more reasons so that you calm down, or you get convinced, or let's just say you get manipulate here, and which is of course is not so right, and that is why they're doing all that stuff possible to make you believe from far. Okay, so there is something, I feel like looking at Three of Wands is something that you need to figure out. What is happening at distance, what is happening at office, what is happening in someone's life here, the one you desire the most, the one you love the most, the one you care for the most. Okay, so that kind of energy is coming here. Now we're going to focus on few more cards, and let's see. I'm going to use other deck as well, but I see there's a troubled conversation, and I feel like there may be the energy of Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, because while I was shuffling this, this was flipping time and again. So maybe this is the energy of someone as a female vibe here in the picture, or maybe the one you're dealing with, however it resonates. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. This is a crucial point in your life, I feel, especially connected with something here as in connection. Yes, I see, because you are connected with this person. Queen of Cups, regardless of genders here, male or female, these are general, right? Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, right? There is something that you need to settle, and I feel like this is the time. Possible that bang on the table was all about listen to me, okay? So this may be certain official matter, but it has to do a lot with your stuff of like relationship. Someone need to watch their tongue, basically, because I picked up the first word as tongue, which means that someone is speaking too much and they need not to, or they are crossing line. Who is crossing line? It's happening in your present. Please give us the card for Scorpions. Present. The present is all about how you're going to convey something to someone, or how you're going to receive it and then reciprocate. This is a reaction, okay? Now, reaction is all about that you have received, you have read, or you are going through that, and now you have to act on something, okay? Now, what you are going to do, because this is Jack of Swords energy, which is Page of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, Scorpios. However, the signs fit you, but the energy mode in the present is all about that you found something. This is time to take stand for yourself, and this is something that you're going to accomplish, okay? Here, you're going to talk to this person as well. In your future, choices will be made. I feel like the kind of energy of Seven of Cups, like there are a lot of things, but it all feel like blurry. Choices, self-love. For many of you, this is self-love, self-dedication, and self-discussion that you are having. Actually, I'm sorry, I apologize. That you are having. With the Ten of Cups energy is fulfillment, of course. But it is self-love. Why I said, because of all the scenario that you might be going through. This is also someone may express, you know what, I love you, kind, you know, but then what is happening here, it doesn't make sense, okay? It doesn't make sense. Someone is going to no longer drag something here because of Three of Swords, misunderstandings, misjudgments, you know, the stuff that we really need to talk. I read somewhere the thought, okay? And the thought was like, one bad communication will totally ruin the relationship. Those words may go here and there a little bit, but it's like something that is, if it is one communication which is bad, may turn the tables and may bring things, okay? So maybe it is like, I also see kind of in Ten of Cups, someone over here is saying a lot, speaking too much, and they're saying that I love you, I care for you, but there is someone who's not giving a glance to it, or not understanding actually this. Now the reasons may be many why they are not understanding, you or the person, okay? Let's see from the Rider. You have Eight of Cups beneath it. I shuffle it, I put it back, then now is the time. Okay, something is, I heard the word catchy. Look, there is someone who's going to speak a lot. With the Eight of Wands energy flipping this way is the sign of that someone does love you, does like you, and they have a lot to say, maybe you to them, them to you. This is something that's going to happen very fast in your life, decisions, quick responses, reactions, and everything. It is going to happen, maybe even travel. Maybe happening like meeting, okay? Something will be decided very fast. Someone will be speaking too much. Now that too much may lead to the opening of some gates for your relationship or situation leading in a better way, or may go for closer, like closure, S-U-R-E, not a closer. Okay, so this may lead to anyways, okay? So there is something that is going to happen very fast. Yes, some of you will hear out this love from the person. Now, this may be expression from your side or their side. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Many of you have this in your heart for very long, so you're going to speak and you're going to be like, listen to me, okay? So this may be like, why don't you understand me? Why don't you hear me out? Okay, Three of Swords is also why you don't understand me, that I love you, I like you. And the one person is like, oh, I'm just not ready, or maybe they're coming out of something. That blur, that shakiness in the voice sound, okay? Don't know what to do about the situation. Page of Cups, promise is coming, friendship is coming, handshake is coming, proposal, love, okay? Maybe just a Piscean in particular, not necessarily though, but Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and different signs I gave you. So look, Six of Swords, there's a travel, move, energy, fast. Someone is coming from far to meet you as well. Are you ready? And the defenses up makes it so critical. That's why I said crucial point is here. What's this? You know what, I was just looking at when this card came, I was looking at Three of Swords. I see like someone does want to save something. Connection here, okay? Yes, this card flipped, which means Nine of Swords. Someone is coming to clear out the anxiety, clear out whatever those questions are in your mind or you have. So they have to speak, and when one speaks, you need to listen, or when you speak, they need to listen. And I feel it's going to happen. It is going to happen because Ten of Cups is in your future. It is going to happen because they are not going to stop talking, okay? The one who stands with you, by you, behind you, you know? This is good sign. Love when enters, okay? Maybe we should keep this energy of like not as manipulation and convincing, okay? Look, sincere approach. Something that was stopped then will be brought to you. Page of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Look here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But this is something, someone who is making it official. 12-12 recording time. They're going to speak too much, okay? Or you are going to. Or maybe when one person is doing it, the other one is offering something very beautiful in the future, okay? And that will create something that will remove all of this, because I had eyes on Jack of Spades, okay? So Page of Swords energy. On it, Page of Pentacles, something sincere is coming via message, text, email, whatever it is, work related, relationship related. So there is breakthrough, truth, acceptance, tiara high, okay? So good. What's in future coming for you? Scorpios, what's in future coming for you? What's in future coming for you? From the spirit world to this world, give us, convey us, show us. Show us. There is a death card, which is definitely connected with you guys from the tarot world, Scorpio, right? So maybe transition, change in the situation. Number 13, oh my god. So beginnings, endings, birth, rebirths. Yeah. Can you see? I think death card is very important in your life. Whatever you need at the right time, it's going to be given to you. Death is the beginning, I feel. Like whatever was supposed to end here, end. It's like a triple end. Okay, and here you go. You watch your beginning. So death is something that you're going to lose out. But the losing out will make sense because you're going to take stand. And maybe the losing out is all about the Nine of Swords. The anxiety is going away. The reason I said so, because death card is looking at this Nine of Swords, which is good. Like your sleepless nights will be taken away from this. And the death will bring rebirth and newness in your life, okay? I hope this card is good. Okay. Sorrow. So the end of sorrow. I feel that. In the future, these cards are connected. End of sorrow. Same position, just sitting on the bed but reverse, feeling like what should I do, because my mind is like wobbling and my head is aching, kind of. Some of you might be suffering from migraines or headaches, different types of headaches, okay, because of the stress and anxiety and less sleep. This is what going to end, okay? Take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.